This TikTok channel has gained over 250,000 followers in a short time by posting simple AI dream nostalgia videos, and almost all of their videos are pulling in millions of views right now. People can't stop watching these emotional, memory-like clips that feel like forgotten moments from another lifetime. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these viral AI dream nostalgia videos from scratch, even if you're a complete beginner. And the best part? The entire process takes just a few minutes. Here's one of the videos I created using this exact method. To begin, you'll need access to my free Telegram community. You'll find the link in the description below. Once you've joined, head over to ChatGPT and navigate to the Explore GPTs section, where I've made a custom tool designed specifically for creating this type of viral AI content. Inside that section, search for AI Dream Nostalgia Generator and open it. Then click on the first link provided. When the GPT loads, click Start Generator. The generator will instantly create 10 unique dream nostalgic concepts for you. Each idea is designed to capture that surreal, emotional feeling that makes this style of content so addictive to watch. If one of the ideas stands out, simply choose its number. If none of them feel quite right, you can type more to generate another batch of ideas, or enter your own custom concept if you already have something specific in mind. For this tutorial, I'm going to select option number 1. After a few seconds, the GPT will generate everything we need. It will provide two important assets: an image generation prompt, a video animation prompt. We'll use the image prompt first to create the foundation of our video. Now copy the image prompt generated by the GPT and head over to OpenArt. You'll find the link in the description. Once you're inside OpenArt, click on Image, then select Create Image. Next, click on the Model Selection menu and choose GPT Image 2. After that, paste the prompt into the prompt field. For the settings, set the aspect ratio to 9:16 if you're creating shorts or TikTok content, if you're following this exact workflow. Set the resolution to 2K, enable high quality, and choose the number of images you'd like OpenArt to generate. Once everything is ready, click Generate. After a short wait, OpenArt will create several versions of your scene. Here's the image I got: a school hallway with an aquarium on every side. The atmosphere feels strangely familiar, almost like a memory you can't quite place. It's surreal, nostalgic, and exactly the type of visual that performs well in this niche. Take a moment to review your results and choose the image that captures the strongest emotion or dreamlike feeling. That's the image we'll bring to life next. Once you've selected your favorite image, look to the right side and click Frame to Video. This feature allows us to transform a single AI image into a moving cinematic scene. After entering the video workspace, scroll up to the model settings and select Kling 3.0. Now go back to the AI Dream Nostalgia Generator GPT and copy the video prompt it created for you. Return to OpenArt and paste that prompt into the video prompt box. Before generating, make sure the audio option is enabled. This helps create a more immersive final result. Then set the duration to 6 seconds and the resolution to 1080p. Once everything looks good, click Generate. OpenArt will now animate your image using the motion instructions from the GPT, creating a cinematic dream sequence that feels like a forgotten memory coming back to life. And that's literally the entire process. Within a few minutes, you've gone from a simple AI-generated concept to a complete dream nostalgia video ready for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or any other short-form platform. Now go ahead and create more videos. After that, bring them all together with CapCut to form a longer video. And that's the complete step-by-step process for creating viral AI Dream Nostalgia videos. If you'd like access to the Dream Nostalgia Generator, OpenArt, and every resource mentioned in this tutorial, you'll find all the links in the description below. Also, if you're interested in discovering more viral AI content opportunities before they become saturated, make sure you're subscribed to AI Pipeline and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.